Hello everyone, my name is Navneet Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel Data Playground. So when you think of learning data science, one obvious question would be coming in your mind like, am I late to start the data science learning? The answer is no, you are not late to start for learning the data science. And the answer to this I will not be giving you. You can just go to Google and then you can just simply type the demand of data science in 2020 and in the future. You will be getting a lot of blogs around it, and I'm very sure that if you go through first 3 blogs or first 4 blogs, then you will be convinced to start learning the data science. I will just give you an overview of the different domains in which data science is being used. What in a nutshell I can tell you that data science is breaching in each and every field. The companies are looking for the insights from small data for its benefits. So here are a few domains in which I will just give you few examples. This list is never ending. I have just given you few examples. So to start with the healthcare domain, in the healthcare domain, you would have already heard of the applications like robotic surgery, patients monitoring. Yeah, what you would have not heard of, like it is enabling our doctors to reach to the remote areas of our country or in any other country. Like in the current situation, this COVID-19 situation in around the villages in Karnataka, there is a group of who are sending the chest X-ray reports to the different doctors, and it is getting analyzed through AI system whether that person has any COVID-19 infections and all. So this is just an example, guys. Means I can tell you that in the coming years, the AI is going to reduce some of the dependencies from our doctors. Yeah. So and the next domain is the entertainment domain. How many times it has happened with you that a movie is very good in some language, but you have to see that movie by looking at the subtitles of that movie. Through AI, we are going to change that. You can translate any movie in any language to your native language live. Now you don't have to look at the subtitles one and then one time you have to look at the screen. This is going to go away in few years, guys. This is just an example. In entertainment, you can think of the recommendation systems. You would be getting different contents recommendations on various OTT platforms. So these are all based on the AI systems. And in the domain of sports, in the cricket, you would have already heard like if a particular bowler takes 3 wickets, then this team is going to win 80%. Or if the opener batsmen are going to score, both the opener batsmen are going to score 50s, then the team is going to win, or the probability of the team to win is 90%. So this is just a simple example, guys. What you may see in the coming future is live commentary, and that too without commentators. So based on the camera feed, it will just look at the ground and it will try to comment based on the players' activities and what they are doing on the field. This is going to come. Yeah. So guys, in the media domain, you would have heard few days back, like a virtual assistant is reading the news, a virtual news reader. So this all is happening because of AI, guys. The another use case in the media domain, guys, like media firms are can do different analysis on their news contents, that how their contents are going to go with their viewers, and based on that analysis they can change or modify their contents. In the field of transports and logistics, I think the data science and AI can help in doing the predictive maintenance. Like the owners of the fleet company can analyze their vehicles based on different factors when it needs the maintenance and all, and basically they can take the maintenance before it actually breaks down, and thus minimizing the downtime. Yeah, and the universal use case of the finance domain is the stock market prediction. Through AI, means the industry is always growing, and it will enable you to invest your money in a better. Use case of the e-commerce domain, guys, is the prediction of the demand and the supply. And also I'm very sure that every day you would be chatting to any of the virtual assistant. So these virtual assistant or the chatbots are getting used by almost all the e-commerce companies for their customer satisfaction. Yeah, and one new emerging or the new field is the agriculture field. You can think of a simple drone that will be flying over your fields, and based on the camera feed, it will analyze the portions of your field for detection of pests or damaged crops. Yep, and also the AI will help the farmers in predicting their harvest based on the different factors, so that the farmers can plan their activities accordingly. Okay. A simple use case in the field of lifestyle is like, suppose you are moving on a road, you liked someone's dress, and at once you got that feeling to have that dress with you, but you are very unsure that from where to get that dress or where that dress is available. What at least you can do, you can go to that person, you can ask the consent of that person to take a pic of the to take the pic of the dress, and as soon as you'll take the pic of that dress, AI system can actually show you suggestions nearby from the nearby stores that where exactly that dress is available, or in the or the similar dresses are available. You can go there and then purchase. This is a very simple use case, guys. And so there are many domains, and each and every domain is using AI in somewhat different ways. I have tried to list down a few just to encourage you to get into this field and then start learning the data science. And believe me, guys, this field is very new. There is so much to research in this field, and even if you don't learn it with the purpose of getting a job, you'll get a lot of interest, and then you can actually build your product and then build your brand. So start learning data science. That's what I can say. And that's all from my side in this video. Stay tuned to this YouTube channel. Cheers. Bye bye.